Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey into the world of elephants to unravel the fascinating ways these majestic creatures safeguard themselves from threats. From their immense size to their intricate social structures, elephants have evolved a repertoire of strategies to ensure their survival in the wild. Join us as we delve deeper into the extraordinary mechanisms that elephants employ to protect themselves. Elephants are endowed with formidable physical attributes that serve as their first line of defense. Their large size, thick hides, and long tusks act as powerful deterrents against potential predators. When threatened, elephants may adopt defensive postures, such as raising their heads and spreading their ears to appear larger and more intimidating. These physical defenses not only deter predators but also help establish dominance within their social hierarchy. One of the most remarkable aspects of elephant behavior is their strong social bonds. Elephants live in tightly knit family groups led by a matriarch, who possesses invaluable knowledge and experience. Within these herds, elephants rely on each other for protection and support. When confronted by predators or other threats, elephants band together, forming a united front to defend their young and vulnerable members. Communication is key to elephant survival. Elephants utilize a wide range of vocalizations, including trumpets, rumbles, and roars, to convey messages and warnings to each other. These vocal cues allow elephants to coordinate their actions and alert the herd to potential dangers. Additionally, elephants communicate through physical gestures, such as head shakes, trunk swings, and body postures, which help convey their intentions and emotions to fellow herd members. In the wild, elephants remain vigilant and alert to their surroundings at all times. Their keen senses of sight, smell, and hearing enable them to detect potential threats from afar. Elephants are acutely aware of their environment, constantly scanning for signs of danger and reacting swiftly to perceived risks. Their heightened awareness and quick reflexes serve as crucial defenses against surprise attacks from predators. Elephants are highly adaptable creatures, capable of thriving in diverse habitats ranging from dense forests to arid savannas. Their ability to adapt to changing environmental conditions and resource availability enhances their chances of survival. Elephants exhibit remarkable resourcefulness, utilizing various tools and techniques to overcome challenges such as accessing water sources during droughts or finding alternative food sources in times of scarcity. Despite their inherent defenses, elephants face numerous threats in the modern world, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are essential to safeguarding their future. By protecting critical habitats, implementing anti-poaching measures, and promoting coexistence between elephants and local communities, we can ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in the wild for generations to come. Conservation efforts are paramount in ensuring the long-term survival of elephants in the face of increasing threats. Across the globe, organizations, governments, and communities are coming together to implement various initiatives aimed at protecting these majestic creatures and their habitats. 1. Protected areas and habitat preservation. Establishing protected areas and wildlife reserves is crucial for safeguarding elephant habitats. These designated areas provide sanctuaries where elephants can roam freely without the threat of poaching or habitat destruction. Conservation organizations work tirelessly to secure and manage these protected areas, ensuring that they remain viable habitats for elephants and other wildlife. 2. Anti-poaching measures. Poaching remains one of the most significant threats to elephant populations, driven by the demand for ivory and other elephant-derived products. To combat poaching, conservationists employ a range of anti-poaching measures, including increased patrols, surveillance technology, and intelligence gathering. Training and equipping local rangers to effectively patrol and protect elephant habitats are essential components of these efforts. 3. Community engagement and education. Engaging local communities living alongside elephant habitats is essential for successful conservation. Conservation organizations work closely with communities to raise awareness about the importance of elephant conservation and to address human-elephant conflicts. Community-based initiatives, such as providing alternative livelihoods and promoting sustainable land use practices, help foster coexistence between humans and elephants. 4. Research and monitoring. Scientific research plays a crucial role in understanding elephant behavior, ecology, and population dynamics. Researchers use advanced monitoring techniques, such as GPS tracking collars and camera traps, to study elephant movements, social structures, and habitat use. This data informs conservation strategies and helps identify priority areas for conservation action. 5. International collaboration and advocacy. The conservation of elephants is a global endeavor that requires collaboration and cooperation across borders. International organizations, governments, and non-profit groups collaborate to address transboundary conservation challenges and advocate for stronger legal protections for elephants. Through international treaties, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, efforts are made to regulate the trade in elephant products and combat wildlife trafficking. 6. Sustainable tourism and economic incentives. Promoting sustainable tourism can provide economic incentives for local communities to conserve elephant habitats. Responsible tourism practices ensure that tourism activities benefit both wildlife and local communities while minimizing negative impacts on the environment. Revenue generated from ecotourism initiatives can contribute to funding conservation projects and supporting local livelihoods. Conclusion: conservation efforts are vital for protecting elephants and preserving their habitats for future generations. By implementing a combination of measures, including habitat preservation, anti-poaching efforts, community engagement, research, and international collaboration, we can work towards ensuring a future where elephants thrive in the wild. Each of us has a role to play in elephant conservation, whether it's supporting conservation organizations, advocating for stronger protections, or adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives. Together, we can make a difference and secure a brighter future for elephants and the ecosystems they inhabit.